From a bird's-eye view, this marks humanity's first energy matrix built on 4,600-meter permafrost. The Kela PV plant boasts a total installed capacity of 1 million kilowatts, yielding 2 billion kilowatt-hours annually. This region receives 90% more solar radiation than lowland plains. Even in winter's grip, the Kela PV plant generates 18% more green power than its plains-based counterparts. Yet in such harsh conditions, every kilowatt-hour emerges from a duel between technology and nature. The plant battles not only negative 30 degrees Celsius cold, but also relentless level 13 gales. Rated IP66, they withstand storms and gales. The Yalong River Basin will soon host over 78 million kilowatts of clean capacity, becoming the world's largest green energy base.